Score big in English, mastering idiomatic expressions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's a real game changer in English conversations. Score big. If you've been puzzled by this expression, worry no more. Let's crack the code together. The phrase, score big, is an idiomatic expression often used to describe achieving a significant success or gaining a major advantage in a situation. It's not just about winning. It's about achieving more than the usual success. It comes from the world of sports where scoring points is the goal, and scoring a lot of them is even better. You can use score big in various contexts. Career, she scored big with that promotion. Deals, they scored big at the clearance sale. Exams, he scored big on his SATs. It's a versatile phrase that adds a touch of enthusiasm and accomplishment to a conversation. Let's put score big into action. Here are some example sentences. After years of hard work, the small startup finally scored big with their innovative app. The underdog team scored big in the final match, surprising everyone. Using it in sentences like these can help you sound more fluent and expressive in English. And that's a wrap on Score Big. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions can score big points for your English fluency. We hope this video helps you feel more confident using this expression in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.